Hi, my name's Rodger and I'm a delivery driver for Rodger's Flowers. Our store has a large delivery area and we cover everywhere from western Perry County down to Fairfield and the Gettysburg area in Littlestown. But today we're going to keep it kind of local just to get started, and we'll see how things go. And because of the breadth of our delivery area, we get something in that has to be in Gettysburg, and we get something that has to be in Newport. It takes a while to get to those places, so we do our best, and we think we always meet those delivery time standards. If it's under 35 degrees, you can't leave any arrangement, and if it's a plant, it's got to be warmer than that. And there's a lot of times I've called back to the shop to say, hey, is it okay to leave something today? And I try to find a neighbor, if I can. And sometimes I've had people say, well, I don't really know my neighbors. I said, well, this would be a great opportunity for you to get to meet them and talk a little bit to them.
Turn right.
So most times people are willing to do that. There are times though when you can't find anybody, or the house is pretty remote and there's just no other place around. We have to bring it back to the shop, and we leave a card there to say call us, and we'll get it back out to you as soon as we can. When it's a beautiful day and I'm out in the middle of nowhere making a delivery, somebody will say to me, boy, that sounds like a great job. I said, it really is on a day like today when it's a beautiful sunny day. I said, but when it's 10 degrees outside or 90 degrees outside, it gets to be a little tougher. But the reward is seeing that smile on somebody's face when you make the delivery. And when you go out in inclement weather, I think the people really appreciate it more. I couldn't ask for better people to work for. They are nice people, and they really know what they're doing, and they make beautiful arrangements that I get to deliver and get the compliments from people, which I bring back to them. All the people at the shop have always been very friendly to me, and it's a welcoming environment, and I think that's what makes me want to keep coming back. This is a job I think I can do for quite a while.
Well, you guys have a good day.
You too,
Rodgers
sir.
is the best.
All right, thank you. One of my worst experiences as a driver happened on Valentine's Day. The first year I was driving for Rodger's out in Carlisle, I ended up hitting a deer with a full van of arrangements, and it damaged the left front wheel, and somebody had to come out with another van, and we unloaded all the arrangements. They took them back to the shop to check them, and then somebody else had to go back out and make those deliveries, and I had to wait to get towed back into the shop. So all the flowers got delivered, yes sir. And I'll tell you, for a while after that, I was pretty skittish going around, corners in forested areas. I do really enjoy bringing smiles to people's faces, and I think an arrangement of flowers does that as well as anything.